Hello everyone, I'm going to demonstrate the solution to assignment 3 in this video. Instead of to draw the monthly stock price for Amazon and eBay, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the monthly stock price for Microsoft and IBM. So the requirement is to draw a line chart, okay, with the two lines. One line is the monthly stock price for IBM. The other line is monthly stock price for Microsoft. So the purpose of this assignment is to let you to be familiar with some of the functions of the Excel. For example, the data filter and the chart design. So let's take a look at this file, stock 0512, and it's about the monthly stock prices for all the stocks in the United States from 2005 to 2012. So, but we need only include the stock prices for the two companies from 2008 to 2012. So if you browse this Excel file, it has a lot of companies. It's really hard for you to locate the companies we are trying to use. Okay. There are a couple of ways to solve the problem I saw from the students' solutions. Some of you guys just copy Amazon and eBay stock prices to a new file and then start from there to draw the chart. That's fine. That's a solution. Today I'm going to show you another solution, because this is one solution, but it's not only the solution. Okay, so first we need to filter the data and just get the data that we need and just hide the other data that we don't need. So go to the top of this Excel file and find the data tab. Click on the data tab, and you could click your mouse in the first row and then click on the filter on the data tab. Now you see some of the little arrows over here, and that's something you can choose from. So for example, we want to choose only the two companies, IBM and Microsoft. What we need to do is click this little arrow, and you see this list of all available unique company names over here. So if you scroll down trying to find the company, that's fine, but it takes time, and it's not that easy. The easiest way is to search. Click on your mouse into the search and type in Microsoft, and now you can see the Microsoft Corp. This company is selected, and click OK. Now scroll down your Excel file. You can see only Microsoft stock prices are selected. Okay, so this is the first step, but we also need to include IBM stock. So what we need to do is click on the filter little arrow again and type in IBM. If you type IBM, there's nothing there, because this is short for International Business Machine. So if you type that in, you can see actually it's International Business Machine, COR. It's not really a machine. You can just type the first two letter words, and you can see International Business Machine is selected. If you click OK, let's do it. If you click OK, and now what you have is only IBM. There's no Microsoft anyway. So that's not what we need. So we need both IBM and Microsoft. So go back. So now, because you have IBM over here again, let's type Microsoft again. So now you can see that Microsoft is selected. If you click OK and you choose Microsoft only, take a look at this line and current selection to filter. If you check this box, meaning that you can choose Microsoft and also the current IBM together. So if you check that and click OK, now take a look at your data. You have IBM here and Microsoft in the bottom. So that's the only two companies are selected. So that's what we need. Then it seems to is similar to the date. Now it starts from 2005. We need only 2008 to 2012. So what we can do is go to the date and type 2008 over there and click OK. Now only 2008, and we need to add 2009. Also remember to check add current selection. Okay, and also you can continue to do this. And again, there are some other ways, but this is a easier way. And 2011, click on current selection, and again 2012 and current selection. Okay, so just double check. You know, for the IBM, it's 2008, January 2008 to December, and then 2009, and then 10, 11, 12, and again for the Microsoft 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's all right. That's what we need. And then we need to draw the prices. Okay, the prices. This is the stock price, monthly stock price. So we need to insert, go to the insert tab, insert line chart. So what we need, we need first choose the stock prices for IBM from 2008, January 2008 to December 2012. So we can click on this one and then select. If you select from bottom to top, it's easier. Okay, so you select the prices and click on the line chart and click on insert the first one. And here you have the first line. Okay, the first line, that's for the International Business Machine IBM. That's the stock price for IBM. But you need to add another line. So what you need to do is right click on the chart area and click on select data. And you'll see that you have the series 1, and that's actually stock price for IBM. What we need to do is click on the edit and give it a name. So you could type IBM over there and click OK. And now let's just do OK first and find your chart, and you can see this is you have the legend IBM over here, and this is one line. Now we need to add another line. Do that again. Right click on the chart area, click on select data, and then we click add series. Okay, so the name for this is Microsoft. Okay, but you need to choose the value. The value is the Microsoft monthly stock price. So let's click this button to select the data range. You go down over here and select, if you go to from the bottom, okay, upward, okay, so you have selected the stock prices for Microsoft, and click on this button and to go back and click OK. Now you have two series, IBM and Microsoft. Let's click OK now. Go to your chart. Now you see the two lines over here, and IBM, Microsoft, but this is not the end of the task. You need to make this chart look nice. What does that mean? You need to have a title over here. You need to have the y-axis and x-axis, the label for them. So you could go on top, for example, go to the layout, or you can go to the design. Go to the design tab and go to the chart layout. Select, for example, the first one. If you click that, and you can see, okay, this is the chart title and axis. So we can type in monthly stock price of IBM and Microsoft, and you can make it smaller. Okay, and to make it look better, you can resize it, make it bigger. Okay, this is what we can. Okay, make it a little bit smaller here. Okay, it's too big. It's too big. Let's see. Okay, so this is the big. But let's take a look at the x-axis. It's the numbers. So we need the date. So go back to the chart, right click on the chart area, select data, and take a look at the right part. It's horizontal or axis labels. So you need to specify those values. Click on edit, and we need to select the range. Click this button, go to the Excel file. You can choose the date from January 31st, 2008 until December 31st, 2012. So this is how you choose this range, and click it to go back and click OK. And you can see the label is just from January 2008 to December 2012. Click OK. Go to your chart. Now you can see, you can type in like price over here, close, and you can see the date. So you don't need to have a x-axis label, because you can tell it's just a date. Okay, so you can have a nice looking chart with both lines, IBM and Microsoft. So this is the solution for the assignment 3. If you still have a question, let me know.